Hey guys, today we're gonna be learning how to go to the practice range in Marvel Rivals. So all you gotta do is press the play button here in the home page, click the practice range, and confirm. So what about the practice range? There's a lot of things you can do in the practice range, from practicing your aim, practicing skills, trying out new heroes.
Enemies beware.
So in the practice range, there's a variety of things you can do. Aside from just mindlessly shooting or killing Luna here. If we go all the way here, you'll be able to find a practice range with more options. So here's the parameters. In the parameters, you can change settings. You can select target dummies. You can set how far they are from each other. You can also change their movements. You can also change the timer if you want to play with how fast you can kill these bots. Then go ahead. So once you're done changing the parameters, you'll want to go to the control switch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And just work your way around from there. Other cool stuff you can do, you can check out the team ups here if you want to try something. For example, let's try out Iron Man. So if you guys don't know, Iron Man has the Gamma Charge augment. So you can test that out here.
Glad I could help.
And a bunch of other stuff too. So how do you leave the practice range? It's pretty easy. Just have to press escape, leave game. And that is how you get into the practice range. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.